Welcome to our deep dive into heat pump technology, a smart solution for modern home comfort. Heat pumps are incredibly versatile systems designed to manage your indoor climate all year round. Unlike traditional heaters, a heat pump doesn't burn fuel to create heat, it simply moves existing thermal energy from one place to another. This process relies on basic thermodynamic principles, allowing the system to shift heat, even from cold outdoor air. To achieve this, the heat pump utilizes four primary components working in a continuous cycle. The system features an evaporator coil, a compressor, a condenser coil, and an expansion valve to regulate refrigerant flow. The heart of the system is the refrigerant fluid, which constantly changes states between liquid and gas to capture and release heat. When heating your home, the system operates in a specific sequence to transfer warmth indoors. First, the outdoor coil extracts low-grade thermal energy from the ambient air, turning the refrigerant into a gas. The compressor then increases the pressure of this refrigerant gas, which significantly boosts its temperature. Finally, this hot gas moves to the indoor coil, releasing heat into your home's air before condensing back into a liquid. When the seasons change, the heat pump can easily switch roles to provide efficient cooling. By using a reversing valve, the system changes the flow of the refrigerant entirely. Now the indoor unit absorbs heat from your rooms and transports it outside, venting it to the environment. Why choose this technology? Heat pumps are recognized for their exceptional energy efficiency ratings. Because they move heat rather than generating it, they can output more energy than they consume in electricity. Compared to traditional furnaces or oil-burning boilers, they offer a cleaner and more stable heating alternative. In conclusion, heat pumps represent a critical step forward in sustainable home climate control. They provide consistent, comfortable temperatures year-round while helping to significantly lower your home's energy usage. Investing in heat pump technology is a smart move for your wallet and a positive choice for the planet.